Hi and
Happy holidays!
This is my third annual Christmas Secret Santa gift exchange with some of my favorite creators. So welcome, glad you're here. This is my favorite human, my son. He's here to join me. He likes being able to do these videos with me each year. And he's finally not busy for a minute so we can sit down and do this together. The other girls involved in the Secret Santa gift exchange are Couponing with Kayla, Shop with Sarah, Coupons with Alicia, and Bree, the Coupon Queen. So each year we will write down some things we like, things we don't like, and we swap names and mail each other a surprise in the mail. And it's something that I've come to look forward to each year. So this year I wanted to do something a little bit different. I want to do a giveaway for this video as well. So I'll drop all the official rules down in the video description box, but one of you will win a $25 Amazon gift card. So to get entered, drop a comment down in the comment section below, and I will be announcing that winner soon. Again, all the details can be found in the video description box. We are also going to be asking each other questions throughout the video, so you might learn a little bit more about us. All right, where's my card? We're going to start with the card. So technically we're not supposed to know who it's from, but based on what state it came from, I know that Couponing with Kayla got me. And oh, look how cute. Oh, it's already adorable. Christina, I hope you and your family have a very Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy these gifts. I tried to include a little bit of everything. Hopefully it will make for some family fun. I'm so thankful to call you a friend. So we all chat still pretty regularly. We share stories, we help each other out. So I really appreciate these girls. All right, which one should I open first?
This one.
I feel a little bit like I'm cheating because it's before Christmas. Have you gotten to unwrap anything yet?
Yes.
What did you get?
I got Christmas pajamas.
Yes, Christmas pajamas, because who doesn't like Christmas pajamas? Ooh. Oh, Trader Joe's. I didn't realize she had a Trader Joe's. Cranberry butter cookies. We have a Trader Joe's here. We didn't used to. Now we have 2 in our city. So tell us why. I have been running around crazy and have had very limited time, and I'm also so proud of you. What have you been involved in lately?
So I was cast in an opera, A Mole and the Night Visitors, and I am a mole, so this week is Tech Week, so we've been running around crazy going. It opens tomorrow, so
yay!
I'll be performing.
He's in an opera. How cool is that? Not just in an opera. Are you chorus?
No.
What's the show called?
A Mole and the Night Visitors.
A Mole and the Night Visitors. And who are you?
A mole.
Yeah, hello. He's like the star, and he is such a star, and I'm so proud of him. He's grown so much in the 6 months he's been working on it. So the note said, thought of you when I saw this. I hope you love it. Oh my goodness. Here.
I almost said friends.
Geller Movers. The Pivot Professionals. How cute is that? We love it. We were watching Friends as recently as when?
This morning.
Yeah, we love Friends. We love Friends. Okay, what's next?
Ooh, this one.
Okay, and so while I'm unwrapping this one, well, let me read the note. Ooh, have a cup of cheer. Tell them about our ornaments, how we get the ornaments we have on our tree.
So when we go on vacation, we'll pick out an ornament for the tree to represent that vacation. And we also get little ornaments to represent different things we do throughout the year.
Look at this. I have never had Trader Joe's coffee, so I'm excited to try this one. Thank you. I drink multiple cups of coffee a day. And seriously, I've never tried Trader Joe's coffee, but when we were at his voice lesson recently, his voice teacher offered me coffee, and she had like Trader Joe's, it was some kind of special dairy-free creamer, and it was delicious. So excited to try this. My favorite coffee is an actual grocery store brand. It's H-E-B brand coffee, and it's delicious. All right.
I have a question for you.
Okay, what?
What is your favorite ornament?
Oh. That's really hard. So at the very top of the tree, you can't see it, I'll take a picture and pop it up on the screen, is my like first baby ornament. And it was given to me by my grandmother, and it's on a sand dollar, so it's like really fragile. So that one's really special. But I also love, there's one of your hands that's like snowman. Oh, so I mean, anything that your kid gives you or makes when they're little is such a special ornament. So that one's a really special one too. Is there one you thought I was going to say?
No.
Oh, okay. All right, what should I open next? We have been going non-stop lately.
Ooh,
Oh, there's a note.
For the whole family.
For the whole family. Oh, well, you should open it. Open it. We've been going non-stop. We really haven't had a chance to like soak in Christmas. And so I'm looking forward to seeing his show, of course, but also looking forward to it being over. And we can just kind of chill and relax for a little bit.
Ooh. It's a jigsaw puzzle.
What on earth?
It's all blue.
You can do that one. I think Kayla does not know that I lack patience for anything that represents puzzles. But especially this puzzle, oh my gosh.
New puzzle.
Yeah, 12,000 pieces of blue and a little bit of white. I wonder if it says this at the bottom of the puzzle. You think it does? Majestic Moon? I bet it does. Okay.
Look at these.
Show them the back. More puzzles it'll take you 6 years to create. All right, I'm doing this. Oh, what is this? We already want it. I think she went shopping at Trader Joe's. This looks delicious. Okay, so I know on my favorite things I have chocolate covered pretzels, and these are not just chocolate pretzels. They have M&Ms and cookies stuck to it. I missed the note. It says, thought I'd send you a couple of Trader Joe's goodies. Let me know if these compare to Flips. Perfect. You know, it's so funny. So I had Alicia, and I wanted to give her a taste of Texas. Like, if you're from Texas, you know we love our H-E-B, which is our grocery store that's only in Texas and I believe Mexico. So I thought, well, I want to give her a taste of Texas. I want to send her some of my favorite H-E-B products. So I bought all these like H-E-B things. I'm like, oh my, I hope she doesn't think it's weird to send stuff from the grocery store. But I love getting Trader Joe's stuff, so hopefully she likes getting the H-E-B stuff. Okay, what's next? Let's try this red one. All right, we're a little concerned that this one might be broken because it's like jingling a little bit. So I'm gonna be real careful when I open this. So Kayla, if it's broken, I'm sorry. That's just how it goes sometimes, right? Oh, it did break. Well, it is a candle, but I don't want to open it all the way because it's broken. But, what was it? Ocean? By Bath and Body Works too. Oh no! All right, sorry Kayla, it broke. But maybe we'll figure out a way to burn it without the glass on a plate. Why is it so hard to think of words when you're video recording yourself? Okay, here we go. What else was I supposed to ask you? Give me one of your questions for me.
Do you know what the first Hallmark Christmas movie was?
So in the car on the way home, all right, so we go, he didn't have school today. Well, no, he did have school today. He didn't go to school today because he had opera rehearsal. And on the way to grab some food before his voice lesson following the opera rehearsal, we heard that one of his colleagues, one of the opera singers, was going to be on Texas Public Radio. So we tuned to the channel, and in there they gave a little tidbit that the first Hallmark Christmas movie was A Mall and the Night Visitors. So that opera is actually a great opera for people who are new to opera because it was designed to be on TV. So it's sung in English. It's a really sweet Christmas story. So if you Google A Mall, and it's spelled
A-M-A-H-L,
and the Night Visitors, you can learn more about the story. It's really sweet. So yes, that was the first Hallmark video. Do you want to open this one, or should I?
You can.
Okay. Oh, this one didn't break. And it's also glass, it feels like. Oh, it's a big mug. So y'all know I love big mugs, and it says Cool Moms Club. Cool Moms Club. And I gave Alicia a mug too because she likes Mean Girls, and maybe I shouldn't say anymore, but go over to her channel because it's the cutest mug and I hope she loves it.
And then we have this one.
This one?
And then there's one left in the box.
Uh-oh. It's 12 days of Quizmas. Festive trivia, games, and challenges. We love, so on my list I said we love playing games. When people come over, we play games. We play games at home with just us. This is really cute. I've never seen this before. Trivia, charades, jokes, hum that tune. Who am I? What am I? So speaking of hum that tune, today I'm singing opera in the car, and I said, I feel like, did I say I feel like?
I don't know.
I think I said, I feel like I could be an opera singer. And he goes, feel again. Apparently I cannot be an opera singer. All right, there was one last thing. It wasn't wrapped, so he left it up there.
But first I want to ask you one of the questions
Okay.
off the gift. Jingle Bells was originally written as a Thanksgiving song. True or false?
I'm singing it in my head. I'm going to go with false.
It is true.
Really?
Yes. Jingle Bells was originally written as a Thanksgiving song.
Did y'all know that? Huh, interesting. All
Okay,
right, hook me up with the last
gift.
gift.
You want to grab it out?
Ooh, oh, it's a soft, fuzzy blanket. Oh, y'all know how I love blankets. Yeah, feel this one. We both love blankets.
Ooh.
Oh, thank you, Kayla. I hope everyone has a super Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, great time with family, rest, relaxation before the new year starts again. And don't forget to get entered in the giveaway, and I will be announcing the winner soon. Thanks.